Hello lovelies, welcome back to Life with Amara. So my love, today we are not just cooking. Yes, we are going on a journey. Like, have you ever had a meal that instantly takes you back to a moment in time, like a childhood memory, a taste that feels like home? Well, today I'm recreating one of those meals from my childhood. Today I'll be making grilled fish, roasted plantain and potato with a refreshing hibiscus drink known as Zobo. It's more than food, it's a story. So sit back, relax, let me take you along. I will be backing this cooking today with an interesting story. I will be sharing my childhood memory with you guys. So relax, get your popcorn, let's get started. Growing up, weekends were a special time in my family. Not because we went anywhere fancy, but because the kitchen was alive, with the smell of food that brought everyone together. Today, I'm recreating one of those special meals: grilled fish, roasted plantain and potatoes with a refreshing hibiscus drink known as Zobo. I remember my uncle was the grill master of the family. As of then, whenever he came over, he would marinate fish with his secret spice, which, to be honest, I never knew that it was pepper, garlic, and other ingredients. We would gather around impatiently waiting for that smoky aroma to fill the air. The funny part was that he never let anyone taste it until he was sure it was perfect, except himself. Again, plantains were my mom's favorite. She believed roasted plantain can fix any bad day. And honestly, she was right. I remember one day it rained heavily and dinner plans were ruined. My mom lighted up a small charcoal stove and roasted plantain and potatoes outside, laughing like it was the best idea she ever had. Funny enough, there was no power. Everywhere was dark. That day we ate together in the dark, but it felt like a five-star restaurant because of the laughter. And honestly, eating with your family, with your whole family, has this joy that it brings. Like, it bonds the family together, it brings joy, it brings laughter, like it brings happiness. So how do you eat in your family? Do you eat alone? Let's continue with the story. As of that time, no special meal was complete without hibiscus drink. Yes, we called it Zobo, and I know most of you will know what Zobo is. So then, as kids, we were in charge of adding sugar and slicing fruit for garnish sometimes, but somehow we always tasted it half the sugar before it reached the pot. As kids, we would want to lick the sugar. The drink was more than just a refreshment, though. It was the final touch that turned an ordinary meal into a celebration. Now, oftentimes I make this combination: grilled fish, roasted plantain, potato, and hibiscus drink. So because of this, honestly, I'm instantly transported back to those weekends of my childhood when life felt slower and love seemed to be in the air we breathed in. Then it wasn't a holiday, like it wasn't anyone's birthday, and there was no special reason except that being together was reason enough. I have learned that food is never just about flavor. Honestly, it's about the shared moment while waiting for the fish to be ready. Moments filled with, teasing, jokes, and playful arguments about who would get the biggest piece. Honestly, it's the comforting warmth of roasted plantain on a rainy evening when the world outside feels cold but your heart feels full. It's the joyful sweetness of Zobo after a good meal when everyone leans back in their chair satisfied and conversation turns soft and easy. So these little things were, memories I made. Honestly, they remind me that some of the beautiful moments in life aren't planned or dressed up. They just happen naturally around the table. So my love, as you watch this, I hope it wraps you in the same sense of warmth, and maybe, just maybe, it inspires you to, create your own food memories, memories that years from now you can revisit just by tasting a familiar dish, memories that, will still make you smile, still make you grateful, and still remind you that home is not just a place, it's a feeling. So my love, this is our Zobo drink and our roasted plantain, potatoes and fish ready to be eaten. So I really do appreciate you for stopping by. As you can see, our potatoes are looking so nice, our Zobo drink is ready, so refreshing, guys. And what made me happy is that my family loved it. Thank you guys for watching. Until I see you in my next one, bye bye.